Hello, it's Richard Pears from FinextraTV, and we're here at Cybos 2022 in Amsterdam. And I'm joined now by Sheri Brandon, CMO of Worldline. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, Richard. Thanks for having me.
Pleasure, and great to be back in person, of course, isn't it?
Absolutely. After two and a half years, so it's fantastic to be back.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So we're here to talk about the digital revolution or evolution. We're talking about payments and banking, but what's your opinion? You know, it's in our lives everywhere, this digital thing. Is it a revolution or is it evolution?
Yeah, well, in my opinion, to go to the basics, technology has fundamentally changed our lives, right? Everybody's now used to getting things instantly. We can do it more quicker, so that's the basic. But on top of that, I think customer experience is you know what it's all about. So looking at customer experience and the way that technology is also driving that is what it's all about. So it's not really a revolution, it's more an evolution. That's how we see it.
Fantastic. So now, what does this mean, this change, this digital evolution that you've spoken about, the impact on customer experience? What does this mean to banks' business models?
Well, we believe that in the future banks need to be data-driven. And of course this will have impact. You're looking at technology. Banks will use much more the AI, the analytic tools to really reach their customers, to make more personalized offers. And one of the things that we see is, for example, banks are leveraging the technology to communicate through different channels in a better way with their customers. An example I can give is through WhatsApp business platform, which is a fantastic thing. One of our banks basically is using that to chat with their customers, to communicate with their customers. And the funny thing is that the chatbot, it's a combination of the chatbot using AI. So in the beginning, the chatbot is keeping the customer busy by asking some questions, whilst in the background, AI is generating, basically looking at the spend, could look at the spend of the customers and generating a personalized offer for that customer to take away at the end of the conversation. So all this technology, moving between channels, between AI and analyzing tools, that is what will change the way that banks communicate with their customers. In addition, we also see banks moving into the virtual world. Right, and that's where also we see that banks are offering financial services also in the metaverse. For one example is JP Morgan, where you can visit in Decentraland. You can visit their branch. You can actually use their financial services, become a customer, and use their financial services. So banks will basically have to rethink their models by looking at partnerships. And simply changing their business models. So, and there are a few ways that banks can do that. You have banking as a service, where a non-bank can basically use a bank's services to provide banking services to their customers. And you're from the UK, you know Marks and Spencer's, right?
Sure.
So Marks and Spencer's is using HSBC's white label services to provide financial products to their customers. Another one is embedded finance. That's another business model that really many banks and non-banks should have a look at. And it's as simple as ordering food or ordering a taxi through an Uber app. That is embedded finance, very simple. And another one is banking as a platform, where banks are basically enabling and opening up to partners and jointly with those partners offering a combined service to their customer. An example of that is Société Générale, where Société Générale Markets is basically through partners, through their platform, offering structured finance products to their customers. So these are really basic business models where we think that banks should open up themselves and look at the outside world to offer more and better products to their customers.
So with these different models, what are going to be the benefits for the banks and for their customers?
Yeah, I really think that banks should embrace this new technology to bring their customers a better customer experience, and also to, work with with fintechs and with these partners to make better payment solutions and combine that with the needs of their customers in terms of what people are really looking at today: sustainability, sustainable payments. What is it that I'm doing whilst paying? What is my carbon footprint? And also, we have a lot of solutions. Most of suppliers have, and we have a solution that is calculating your carbon footprint. But in the end, you have to combine it with, the whole style of living of the customer, and really enable them to take a next step.
Make
right?
better decisions. Yeah.
Make better decisions.
Yeah.
So it's not about now, it's about the future. So delivering that experience to a customer that can enable them to also decide about the future and their green and sustainable way of banking.
Fantastic. Well, it's wonderful to hear from you and great to see those insights from here at Cybos. So thanks very much for your time.
Thank you, Richard, and enjoy Amsterdam.